In a shocking development in the Pune Porsche accident case, another family member of the teenager involved may be implicated in a scheme to shield him from arrest. The 17-year-old boy's mother is suspected of providing her blood sample to be swabbed with the sons to manipulate the test results, according to police sources. Police sources report that an investigation panel discovered that blood samples from a woman and two men were collected at the hospital. It is alleged that these samples were part of an effort to obscure the involvement of the teenage driver. Earlier reports indicated that the teenager's blood samples were discarded and replaced with another person's, which showed no traces of alcohol at Pune's Sassoon General Hospital. In connection with this alleged tampering, Dr. Ajay Tawade, head of the hospital's forensic medicine department, and Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sri Hari Halnor have been arrested. Dr. Halnor has claimed that he discarded the teenager's blood sample and replaced it at the direction of Dr. Tawade. Before the minor's blood samples were collected, the teen driver's father, Vishal Agarwal, communicated with Dr. Tawade via WhatsApp and FaceTime calls, as well as a single general call, police sources said, adding that there were 14 such calls in total. The calls were made between 8:30 am and 10:40 am on May 19, and the blood samples were taken at 11 am. The Forensic Science Laboratory report showed no alcohol in the first blood sample, which raised suspicions. Later, a second blood test was conducted at a different hospital, and DNA tests confirmed the samples were from two different individuals. This led investigators to suspect that the doctors at the Sassoon General Hospital had tampered with the evidence to protect the accused juvenile. Currently, the juvenile is being held at an observation home. His father and grandfather, accused of coercing the driver to take the blame for the accident, have also been arrested. The tragic incident occurred in the early hours of May 19 in Pune's Kalyani Nagar area. Two IT professionals in their 20s, Anisha Vadia and Ashwini Koshta, were killed when their motorcycle was struck by a speeding Porsche, allegedly driven by the 17-year-old. The teenager, the son of the city-based builder, had reportedly consumed alcohol at a restaurant and club before the accident. Authorities continue to investigate the case, focusing on the alleged attempts to manipulate evidence and the involvement of multiple family members in shielding the teenager from accountability.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.